In this video, I want to show you how to project data in ArcGIS Pro. So let's get started. In ArcGIS Pro, I have this data. To project this data, the first thing to do is to check the current coordinate reference system of the data. And to do that, come to the layer, right-click it, and come to Properties. When it opens, come to Source. Then come down here to Spatial Reference System. Click to expand it. And here you can see the current coordinate system is Geographic Coordinate System. So if we want to project it to Projected Coordinate System, let me show you how to do it. Let's close this page. To project this data, what to do is to come to Analysis. Then click on Tools. When you do that, it will open the geoprocessing page. Then come to Toolbox and then scroll down to Data Management Tools. Here is it. Click to expand it. Then scroll down and look for Projection and Transformations. Here is it. Click to expand it. When you expand it, scroll down and come to Project. Here is the tool called Project. And this tool projects spatial data from one coordinate system to another. So double click to open it. When it opens, under Input Dataset, enter the layer you want to project. Click on the drop down and select your layer, that is this very data. Then the Output Dataset or Feature class. Click here to navigate to where you want to save it. So let me just save it in this folder and call it LGA Projected. Then click on OK. Then here, Output Coordinate System. If you click on the drop down, if you have data that has a specific coordinate system you want to use, you can use it. But in this case, I don't want to use current map. So I want to select specific coordinate system. So I will click on this globe icon. When I click on it, it will open the coordinate system for me to select from. Then since I want to project it, I will come to this projected coordinate system, click to expand it. Then scroll down, come to UTM. Click to expand it. Scroll down, come to WGS 1984. Click to expand it. This data I'm working with belongs to Northern Hemisphere. So I'll click on Northern Hemisphere to expand it. When I expand it, I'll look for the specific zone it belongs to. This data belongs to zone 32 north. So I will scroll down to zone 32 north. And here is it. So I will click to select it and click on OK. So you can see that it has captured it. Then just check this, preserve the shape, and then click on Run. This will run and project this data in few seconds. Yes, it is done. It is done. Now, after it is done, it will be added to the interface of the map. So here is it. Now we can verify. To verify the coordinate system of the projected one we did, right click and click on Properties. Then come to Source and come to Spatial Reference. Then you can see that the coordinate system is now projected coordinate system. And you can see the specific one we chose, which is UTM zone 32 north. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.